More than 17,000 West Australians lined up for a PCR test, many waiting hours. But with good reason, with 1 in 10 testing positive, required to isolate for a week.
That's why we are announcing today that as of 12:01 a.m. on a Thursday, our very high caseload settings will take effect.
Under the new settings, a critical worker who's a close contact of a positive case can keep going to work.
A critical worker is someone whose role cannot be undertaken at home and who performs a role that is essential to maintaining critical services and avoiding catastrophic losses.
That includes health workers, police and emergency services, public transport and truck drivers, agricultural food producers, some building, construction and utilities workers. But the exemption only applies to asymptomatic staff who agree to rapid antigen testing before work. Isolation outside of work is still required. There's also a new regime for schools.
From tomorrow, all school staff will be classified as critical workers.
That means even if a teacher's a close contact, they can continue coming to school if they're asymptomatic and no substitute teacher can be found.
They can be asked by the principal if they consent to return to work. And if they consent, they will be provided with 7 rapid antigen tests.
About 1,400 school staff have already been forced into isolation this year, along with more than 17,000 students. But those rules are also changing. Gone are the days of a whole classroom being taken out by one sick child. Unless it's someone that they live with who has COVID-19, students who are close contacts can still attend school and after-school care.
It's probably a good thing. I think kids need to keep going to school. Parents need to keep going to work.
I think it'll be good if children are vaccinated as well.
Just nervous a bit about my son contracting COVID and what that might mean.
Students who are close contacts must test negative, remain symptom-free and quarantine when they're not at school. James Carmody, ABC News.